According to the Central Statistics Office, there were 65,909 babies born in Ireland in 2015. Of these, 32,290 were girls. How many boys were born in Ireland in 2015? Yes. Yeah, 33,619. You took the two numbers away from each other, did you? All right, great. Find the probability that a baby picked at random from those born in Ireland 2015 is a boy. Give your answer correct to two decimal places. So 33619 divided by. It's very important you type what you put in your calculator, you type down. What you get? 0.51. Happy days, 51%. 0.51. Should be okay. Try putting in a zero though, I'd say. 8 babies were born in Limerick Maternity Hospital on 1st of May 2015. Find the probability that the first 3 babies born were boys, okay? So we're looking for the probability of boy, boy, boy. Any idea? What's the probability of one boy again? And the probability of the next one? 0.51. And the probability of the third one? And what do we get when we do all 3 of them combined? Huh? 0.1327. Is that right? Grand. Cool. Find the probability that the third birth was the first girl in the hospital that day. Give your answer correct to 4 decimal places. Okay, Gavin. Yeah, you do. Yeah. So if it's and you want the first boy and you want the second boy and you want the third boy, it's multiplication. If it's or, you add. If it's and, you multiply. Okay. Find the probability that the first girl born in hospital that day, find the probability that the third birth was the first girl born that day. So what does that mean? Boy, boy, girl, doesn't it? So it's the same setup again. 0.51 for the first boy, 0.51 for the second boy, and then for the girl. And you're multiplying them, aren't you? And anybody get a number? Was it? 0. Yeah. 0.1274. Cool. Right. Next one, yeah. Complete the following table. This is your probability of being born on a certain day. You have a 14% chance of being born on Monday, 15% chance on Wednesday, 10% chance on Sunday, 12% chance on Saturday. Add them all up and take them away from 1 when you figure out what Tuesday is. Anybody got it already? 0.16, is it? So that's what happens when you add them all up and you take them away from 1. Now, once again, you have to time whatever you typed into the calculator goes onto your page. Otherwise, you might get nothing for it. Okay. We all good? 1,300 babies are born. Find the number of babies expected to be born on Tuesday. So 16% of them are born on a Tuesday. So what does that mean? 1,300 multiplied by, and what you get then? 208. We all good? 208? All right. Move on. 208. Okay. Did I give you a score? Okay. We have to construct a triangle, okay? What type of data is this? Side, side, side. I generally start off with the longest side, okay? So what's the longest side? Well, A to B. Okay. Going to do A to B. I'm going to make it 8 centimeters long. Do any of you remember how to finish this off? You're going to need a compass, aren't you? Yeah. Grab the compass. What size do you want AC to be? 5. Go up to 5. And this creates an arc that's 5 centimeters away from A. So I just nitpicky it is. Okay, you okay with that? Okay, move to your side. And B, it has to be 7, doesn't it? So I'm going to go from 8 all the way down to 1. And that's 7 centimeters in length. And then what happens where you see the X? What happens there? You just link it in, don't you? And down. And watch it. Now, have I obtained full marks, do you reckon? Yeah or nay? Why not? I didn't label A, B, and C, did it? And what else did I not do? I didn't put in the measurements. So I should put in the measurements and label it. Is that really good? Yeah, you would grab your ruler and double check them. I'd be fairly certain we're bang on though there. So what's that? 5 centimeters. That's C. That's 7 centimeters, and that's 8 centimeters. We all good? What? There's a tolerance. Like you'd be like 5.1 or something, or 4.9, but I think you can't be more like 5.3 or something like that. There is a tolerance. Okay. We all good? Now, area of the square, lads. What do you reckon? Length by, and what's your length? 2K, and what's your width? 2K by 2K? 4K squared. Is that cool, you guys? Right, 4K squared. Now, we all good? Okay. Now, be part 2. All right. They slice off part of our square, don't they? And they want the volume of the shaded region. See the shaded region? That's what they want at the end. So I'm gonna have to find the so 20 and 20. Ah, we can find out the value of k quite quickly here. What type of triangle is the white triangle? So what can we say? 2k squared equals Pythagoras theorem. The longest side squared equals the smaller side squared and added together. You cool with that? So what you get? 4k squared equals, what's 20 squared plus 20 squared? 800. And k squared equals 200, yeah? Square root 200. Find the value of k. So root 200. Well, 14.14, yeah? So I'll just call it root 200 or 14 points. 2 to this place 14.14. Is that what you said? Okay, great. Now that's, here's what I'm thinking. What did we say the area of our, what did we say the area of our square was again earlier? The answer to part 1. What? 4. Yeah, so we said it was 4k squared, didn't we? What do we know k squared is though? We have it here. What is k squared? So what can I replace that yellow part with on top? What can I replace k squared with? I can replace with 200, can't I? And 4 times 200? 800, yeah? It's 800. So we know the full square is 800, don't we? The full square is 800. Now we're going to take that slice off the bottom now, yeah? How do you get the area of a triangle? Only when it's a right angled, or you know the height. Is this one of these cases? So a half 20 times 20. And what's a half 20 times 20? 200. So we had 800 and we chopped off 200. So how much is remaining? 600 left. I forgot my units. Is it centimeters squared? Centimeters as well. You all good? Yeah, absolutely.